It's Feel Page. Oh my God, it's Feel Page.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be making egg roll. To make the egg roll, you need the following ingredients. First ingredient is flour. Here we have our flour. And we need baking powder. We need milk. I'm using dry milk. So we need salt. We need sugar, butter, nutmeg, just to flavor it up, and eggs. So these 2 eggs is to mix the flour. This is the egg we'll be using.
It's Feel Page.
So first thing we need to do now is to boil the eggs. As you can see, the water is already boiling. So I just have to add my eggs inside. The next step now is the mixing of the dry ingredients. So I will start by adding my sugar, milk, salt, baking powder, nutmeg. So just combine everything together. So we step this aside. Now to the wet ingredients. Our eggs, set aside. Come back to the flour. Now we add the butter. It's time for me to add the beat egg. So at this step, I will be adding water. I just finished boiling the eggs, so it's already peeled. Now the next step, I will just sprinkle flour on top the eggs. Just little. That is it for now. The next step is the rolling. That is why it is called egg roll. Now, before we start rolling, I have to heat the oil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so whenever we upload, you will be notified.